Hello, it's Philip Taylor speaking from Richmond Green Chambers, and I'm looking at an important book which is in a new edition from Jordan. It's the Court of Protection Practice for 2012. It's this book here, heavy book. It's by District Judge Gordon Ashton and other contributors. You can see the book is a heavy one. Very useful on the side. You've got colour sizing so that you can find the actual places you're looking for. The paper is very thin, so do take a little bit of care with it. You will see that there's a useful amount of paragraph numbering at the sides, and of course you've got right at the back a CD and some very useful personal information there, specifically about fixed costs, which I think is very helpful. What you've also got is a reasonably good index, which is actually here. Again, you can see the pages are quite thin. That's the spine itself, and the book is a actually it's a long one. It runs to over 2,000 pages. It's a heavy book, although it doesn't look particularly big when I'm showing it to you. We've written a review of this, and in fact there have been previous reviews that we've done, because I do practice from time to time in this area of law. The title we've given it is For Court of Protection Practitioners. This is the essential up-to-date guide to its enlarged jurisdiction, and that's really the key to this, and that is we need this new edition because of changes. The relatively new statutory Court of Protection was created, of course, for the specific purpose of being able to make decisions on behalf of those lacking the capacity to make them, particularly people with impaired mental capacity due to mental health issues, learning difficulties, or acquired brain injuries. And the editor, DJ Ashton, in his very moving introduction to this excellent book, refers to the not too distant past prior to the Mental Capacity Act of 2005, in which there were, quote, people whose vulnerabilities were routinely overlooked by lawyers and also within the justice system. And certainly the government of the day and successive governments, although there have been frankly difficult issues concerning mental health matters, they have actually at least created this court, and I think things have moved forward, and that's why I think Gordon Ashton and his team have produced an excellent job with this book. The new edition of the volume provides all relevant statutory material in the area of the two acts, the main two acts that I've mentioned. And what they've done is brought everything together for 2012, including an extensively updated series of pieces of legislation, rules and commentary, and there are new case summaries which I found very helpful, and a new collection of precedents. There's also an additional chapter on the margins of the MCA itself, the inherent jurisdiction and the overlap with judicial review, both with the Court of Protection and of course the European Court of Human Rights. There are, as I say, more than 2,000 pages in this book, so there's a lot to get through. It's been well researched and written by the team of experts who are mentioned there on the spine, save me mentioning them by name, but thank you to all of them. So if you're a practitioner in this or any related fields, this book and the accompanying CD-ROM, which I've shown you at the back there, can only enhance, in our view, your understanding of the subject matter. I think it's the prime book on the subject, as effectively a book you can take with you and refer to very quickly. Do take care with the pages though. But thank you to all concerned for an excellent publication. Bye bye.